In the city of Mumbai lived a couple named Harman and Juhi. They had recently gotten married. Both Harman and Juhi loved to travel. So they had planned to go to Ladakh for their honeymoon. But Harman's promotion got delayed and due to bad weather, their trip had to be cancelled. Juhi felt disheartened. Seeing this, Harman said to her,
Come on, Juhi. Please don't be so upset. We'll soon go on an exciting trip.
Harman, this was going to be our first trip after marriage. How can I not be upset? I was so excited. And the way the weather looks, we won't be able to go to Ladakh anyway. Harman understood this well, but he didn't want it to show it to Juhi. At the office, when he was sitting quietly, his friend Rohit came in and said to him,
Hey, my dashing friend. Why do you look so down? Had a fight with Bhabhi ji? No, Rohit, it's not that. So what happened here? We had planned to go to Ladakh after our wedding, but due to two problems, we had to cancel. One, you already know, our grumpy boss. And second, the bad weather in Ladakh.
Rohit felt bad for his friend. Showing sympathy, he said,
Harman, I'm sorry you couldn't go, but if you want, you can take Bhabhi ji to my village. The weather and food there are both amazing. She will love it too. Come on, make a plan. Really? I'll ask her today itself.
After work, when Harman got home, he saw Juhi working on her laptop. He sat beside her and said to her,
Juhi, would you like to go on a short trip with me?
To a trip? Where?
It is a lovely place. You'll find out once we go.
If you insist so much, I'll have to come. Within a few days, Harman and Juhi set out on their journey. The cool breeze along the way made Juhi feel happy. Soon, they reached Rohit's village. Harman and Juhi stepped out. Just then, a man approached them. He was wearing tribal clothes.
Welcome to the village, dear guests. I'm your guide, Bhairav Raj. You? Looks like you didn't recognize me. Rohit told me to come and receive you.
Harman and Juhi looked at him from head to toe and were thinking something. Then Bhairav Raj said,
Don't be surprised by my clothes and face. Yes, I'm a tribal, but we are very well known. We give people a unique jungle experience. Many come here to have fun and taste our delicious food. Just come and see the place for yourself. I'm sure you'll love it.
Harman was a bit doubtful, but Juhi smiled and said yes. Harman, did you forget? We always want to meet new people. Let's see what Bhairav ji has prepared for us. Harman and Juhi held hands and moved forward. Ahead, they saw many children playing and women sitting together chopping vegetables. Some young men were cleaning wooden tables. Some women were cooking and some were carrying 5 pots on their heads. Seeing this, Juhi remembered her own home. Harman felt happy seeing Juhi happy. Bhairav Raj told them to keep their luggage in a mud house and then they both went for a journey to jungle. It was evening by the time they returned back, so they decided to rest for a while. After that, Bhairav Raj took them to see a dance performance by 2 young villagers. Juhi and Harman were dancing along with them. By late evening, they were both very much tired.
Both of you relax here in the cool breeze. I'll go get to work.
Bhairav Raj smiled and asked them to sit. Harman and Juhi were amazed watching all the tribals. Bhairav Raj and his wife placed a huge pan on wooden logs and lit a fire under it and began fanning the flames. Other women came holding trays full of chopped veggies and handed them to the men, who added them into the big pan. Some men were grinding spices on the ground. They passed the spice mix to Bhairav Raj, who added it into the pan. A huge tray full of chicken was brought in. Bhairav Raj added it into the pan and started stirring. On the other side, a couple was cooking rice. Some people were decorating jungle fruits on trays. Watching their unity and teamwork, Harman and Juhi smiled.
So this is what living happily looks like.
Yes, Harman, maybe this is what it means to live a content life. Soon the food was ready. Everyone joined together to say the village prayer.
Oh, forest god, thank you for this meal. Thank you,
Thank you.
God.
Then all started dining together. When Harman and Juhi tasted Bhairav Raj's chicken, they were shocked. They had never had such a delicious chicken in their life. Its taste was so different from city food. They enjoyed the meal heartily. Then, under the stars, they slept peacefully with the tribals. They thanked Bhairav Raj for the amazing adventure and then left for home. On the way, Harman said,
Juhi, yesterday was amazing. Such joyful people and such great food. Wow.
Absolutely, Harman. I am thinking of giving them a rating on their website. Juhi searched online for Bhairav Raj's guest house and services but found nothing. Both were surprised. So, they decided to tell the world about Bhairav Raj and his group's talent. And then what? Juhi uploaded all the photos and videos she had taken with Bhairav Raj and his team on social media. Very soon, Bhairav Raj's unique food and jungle stay experience went viral and the tribal group became famous.
Thank you, Rohit. If you hadn't given this idea, we would have missed such a great trip and amazing food. After all, whose village is it?